All right, guys, just got the new ScentLok 400B Radial 400B in. It's supposed to be very similar to like an Ozonics kind of unit. It's supposed to put out ozone, and we know it's supposed to eliminate our scent whenever we're deer hunting. So thought I would pick this one up because this one right here is a lot cheaper than the competitor models and that kind of stuff, and that it was like a cylinder. So I like that as well because it's very similar to like a bottle, what it appears. So let's check it out. Let's open it up. First time get my hands on it. Can get in the box. Like Christmas morning. All right. There's the unit. Feels kind of rubbery. Light plastic feel right here. This right here, I mean, it feels really good. I'm guessing these are your on-off buttons. This is your charge port right on the front, and then there's an out port right here. It looks like you can. I'd read where you could charge your phone or whatever you wanted to via USB. It's got there's your hanger right there on the bottom. Let's see what we got in here. Papers. There we go. We get a standard wall plug, charging cable, and they do give you this little hanger strap right here. Put that, loop it in the bottom. In theory, I guess you can hang it from a tree limb or whatever you wanted to right above you hunting. But yeah. Looking forward to trying this out. It's supposed to have 360-degree ozone, which I think is a first in the industry. I'm not real sure. Don't quote me on that. Up to 6 hours of battery life. They're advertising in cabins, closet, and campers. But also, you're not supposed to use it in an enclosed environment. So I guess you do it when you're not in there. Run it. But that is it. So that is the ScentLok Radial 400B. So as you can see, it's kind of rubbery on the bottom, but feels pretty good in the hand. It's like you'd probably slide it down in the cup holder, something like that. So anyway, I will try to let you guys know how it works for me this year, and go from there. Hey, y'all have a good one.